CMA is not just a computer-based exam, rather it's based on real corporate world situations and really very challenging. So with this, I can do my dream job in the field of finance and management accounting. My name is Sneha. I'm from Haryana. I did my BCom in 2018 and started CMA from Miles MCQs. As a commerce student, I choose according to cost-benefit analysis. So I prefer Miles because it was providing me multiple benefits in same cost. Miles book, which is a full version of CMA notes with amazing mnemonics and highlighted points. So no need to spend time in preparing extra notes. Varun's lecture videos, which we call as Milesflix, that is even more interesting than the web series of Netflix. The best feature of Miles is Mac, so I can earn with the learning. I'm very thankful to Miles team because without their support, it's hard for me to clear my CMA. If I face any problem, I always drop an email to my support team and they cleared all my doubts soon. I followed the Varun's strategy for my CMA preparations. After webinar, I watched Varun's videos and did OTB and completed all the sections. I read the highlighted points from the book and practiced OTB and LMS MCQs at least 2 times before the exam. So on exam day, I feel confident and completed my exam without fear and pressure. CMA matlab Miles.